started. So I just washed my hair, freshly just washed my hair. I like this stuff a lot, the Suave. I'm gonna try the, the ones that they have for like natural, quote unquote, natural hair. So I'm gonna try those with from the Pantene line and Suave, because I know everybody's starting to get like the natural hair products, like the big brands. So this is how I retain moisture hair. I just deep condition, so when I do deep conditioner, I don't rinse all of the conditioner out unless it's really homemade. It has eggs and mayonnaise in it, but like regular conditioner, I don't rinse it all out. When you rinse it out, you want to use cold water to seal it in, to keep it in so you can close your pores. Now people are like, well, what's the point of closing your pores if you're going to add more moisture to it? Well, with your healthy strands, most of the time your strands won't close all the way. It's like a roof. You have like a cuticle that's open, just a little bit. It's not completely flat. Your hair is designed that way so it could get its nutrients not to close all the way shut. If it is closed all the way shut tight, then you might have low porosity hair, and there's different methods of opening your cuticles. But when you seal it, it's not gonna close all the way. Anyways, so yeah, and when I co-wash, I love this. This has to be one of my favorite co-washes. This and the Diva Curl. I've had other co-washes and I'm like, yeah, but this one right here is the Long and Luxe co-wash. Is amazing, and my hair feels clean, my scalp feels clean, and I love this, and it's moisturizing too. My hair is really soft when I use this, and I highly recommend this stuff right here. So I'm going to do a twist out with a style. It's a different style way of twist out. I'm always ashy when I do all my YouTube videos. I'm so sorry. I apologize, like literally, but I like to spray my hair with a leave-in conditioner, or like, this is Camille Rose Lavender Stimulating Growth System type shaking hair spritzer, conditioning hair refresher, detangling spray. So I just spray this all around my hair, not too much, just enough. Oh. And so I do that, and then I section my hair into 4 sections, because yeah, everybody does this step. I know it's easier. I'm going to have a middle part. I usually don't do middle parts, but this style kind of requires it, so that I'm going to do. So yeah, I'm doing a middle part. Where's my other clip? I got one more clip. See, just enough clips to do this. So this is how you retain moisture. I notice when I do this more often, my hair stays moisturized, because sometimes I feel like I have a problem with my hair feeling dry or hard. Because I know you should check your water, because if you have hard water, kind of creates like that hard texture hair. So know if your sink, your tubs, whatever you wash your hair in, make sure you check a water system. You could have hard water that can also damage hair. So yeah, anyways, so like what I'd like to do, since we're doing a twist out, I usually use the Curl Enhance Smoothie, because I need something heavy. I guess I use the liquid cream oil cream method, because so I have a lot of hair in my so I usually do thick things, but this is how I moisturize. And quote unquote, I have hair high porosity, but I feel like that switches up. I don't feel like that's permanent. Any porosity is permanent. I really don't think so. It just depends on the condition of your hair, and it really doesn't have to do anything with moisturizing. It's to retain water. See how much you can retain water, not too much about how you can retain moisture, because moisture will stay on your hair regardless. Except if it's not getting into your hair shaft, I guess porosity. Yeah, if your cuticles are closed, then yeah. So I guess my hairdresser told me that porosity doesn't matter as much when it comes to moisturizing. So I don't know what's right. I don't know what's the facts. Do what's best for you. You find your own method, because everybody has different hair, believe it or not. So I do the local method, because I need that extra stuff. I need the extra stuff, but you don't want to put too much hair, because I also learned that I have a lot of buildup. So you don't want to do too much buildup. If you do this, let this be your only day. We'll have a hair care routine soon coming for you guys once I'm more consistent. I'm trying to become more consistent Because sometimes I start a hair routine and it does me. I mean, I'm great at it. Then I stop and then it shows on my hair. So I gotta stay consistent because my hair likes my routine. So you know, you part wherever you want to part. Since you know you do that, and so I'm parting right here because I'm doing a twist out and I want it to be a defined twist out. So this might take a while. I have my scrunchie right here, and boom, put that in a ponytail. So I don't like to comb my hair. I finger to tangle all the way because my hair doesn't get tangled too much. I mean, we have curls. Like, what do you expect, you know? So, you know, so I take either one of these. I love this stuff. These are my favorite moisturizers. I will never get another one. Like, all the other moisturizers suck. Period. Because I've tried literally all of them. So I'm going to use this one because my hair is obsessed with this. It is like I already have water, it's already wet, so now I'm just going to put moisturizer in it. Then you take an oil of your choice. I like the shea butter oil. It's a really good moisturizing oil. You can try jojoba oil or jojoba. I used to call it jojoba oil. You just finger detangle. It's safer because your hair is, if you comb it, your hair is more easier to damage when it's wet, so it's not best to comb it while it's wet. So just finger detangle, you know, get those ends, rub those things, make sure they're healthy, you know. And then since you take your oil, you put another cream on top, and this is the twist. I love this stuff, okay. This does not leave that greasy feel like the Shea Moisture. And if you see my twist out video, this does not leave the, like, I like this, I think, a little bit more better than that Shea hibiscus and curl enhancing gel, because that one leaves my hair greasy and my eyes turning red and all. So this one, my hair stays defined, curled. Well, with both of them, they stay defined. They're both good defined for your curls, but I think I personally like this because it doesn't leave that greasy feel and it's not too heavy. So yeah, so I put that on my curls, and that's when I start to curl. So I'm gonna take this in half, and I'm going to do smaller twists because I like defined twist outs. I notice when I do bigger twists, people like it because of the volume, but I want curls as well. So yeah, but you see how much product I have on this? Your hair should not be dry for at least a week. You shouldn't really have to do anything to it, except, you know, you want to spritz it with water every day. You can. I know spritzing with water is like watering a plant. Think of your hair as a plant, like literally. If you want it to grow, you gotta nourish it, watch it, make sure it's protected, you know. So that's what you want to do, and that's how I do my twist outs, and that's what I do. And wow, look at my hands, guys. And after you're done with all of the twists, I spray it with an oil spray, a hydrating oil spray. This is the one I use. It smells good. It's coconuts. Also, you can use leave-in conditioner if you want to. Mix it with your regular conditioner, but I usually just use a lot of conditioner, so it doesn't moisturize. It really doesn't matter. If you want to use one, you can. I mean, it doesn't make a difference for my hair, but if your hair needs it, then your hair needs it. I also like this stuff right here, the Lotta Body. Also helps with curls. So if you don't have this, you have this, or you can mix them together. Literally, I've tried, and it works bomb. It works really bomb. And then during the week, I also put this on my scalp once a week. I'll put this on my scalp. So closer to the time I'm going to wash my hair, I just do a massage to simulate growth and keep your roots nice and soft. And that is basically what I do. So like I said, let's go over this again. I'm going to show you how I do the front of my hair after I finish the back. But like I said, water, liquid. Then I go with a cream moisturizer, leave-in conditioner. Then I go with a natural oil, just one type of oil. Shea butter, I use the shea butter oil, or olive, jojoba, almond, avocado, whatever you want to use, or you can use a mixture of all those natural oils because they all have different benefits if you want to. And then I put on another styling cream, liquid cream oil sealing, which is sealing my sealing the moisture in. Then another cream on top for extra, just the extra, for some reason, just to be extra. And then oil again. So it's like you're layering. So that's how my hair is. It stays soft and everything. But like I said, I don't moisturize again for the rest of the week. So people who can moisturize consistently, it's pretty much the same thing, but it's just you're doing that. This is just in one day. And again, you just spray your hair with oil just to seal it all in. And my hair actually, from all of this, I've been doing this for a while and it's been getting softer. So I recommend this. And that's how I moisturize my hair personally. So yeah, so now I'm going to twist the rest of my head up and I'm going to show you how I'm going to style the front of my twist out. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm watching the babysitting show from Disney, the movie with Sophie Carson and Sabrina Carpenter. Wow, it's a good movie, y'all. But anyways, so in the front I braided it, and I'm going to add these clear beads to it and like the other tribal thingies. And so that's what I did. I just took this part. So I'll pause it. And so I'm going to sit under the dryer for a little bit because tomorrow I do have a bridal shower to go to, and I want my curls to be like shut popping, like seriously, like shut popping. So these are my twists and the braids. Like I said, I braided it like this, and it twisted in the back, and it's just you're gonna see what it's gonna look like. So this is what I did, and yeah, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for a little bit, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results. So yeah, so far this is what it looks like.